The 3D Scale tool lets you resize a three-dimensional object. The command displays the 3D Scale gizmo to aid in resizing the selected objects. Since gizmos are only available when working in a 3D visual style, this tool automatically switches to a 3D visual style if one isn't currently active. To resize objects, click the 3D Scale tool in the Modify panel of the Home ribbon. AutoCAD prompts you to select objects. You can use any convenient object selection method. When you finish selecting objects, either press Enter or right-click. AutoCAD then prompts you to specify a base point. Notice that the Scale gizmo is initially located at the center of the selected object. Click to specify the point you want to use as the base point for scaling. As soon as you select a point, the Scale gizmo immediately relocates to that point, and AutoCAD prompts you to pick a scale axis or plane. Hover the cursor over the Scale gizmo until the desired axis or plane highlights. Click the area closest to the vertex of the Scale gizmo to scale the object uniformly. Notice that the interior region of all the axes of the gizmo are highlighted. To constrain scaling to a specific plane, click between the parallel lines between the axes that define the plane. To constrain scaling to a particular axis, click the axis. Note that some objects only allow uniform scaling, in which case AutoCAD displays a tooltip to this effect when you hover the cursor over the Scale gizmo. Once you have picked the plane or axis along which you want to scale, AutoCAD prompts you to specify the scale factor. You can then drag the cursor to rescale the object interactively, or type a scale factor. Notice that there are also two other options. If you select the Copy option, AutoCAD creates a copy of the selected objects and then scales the copies. The Reference option lets you set a scale based on a ratio between a reference length and a new length. In this case, I'll enter a scale factor of 2. As soon as I type the scale factor and press Enter, the object is resized and the command ends.